The hidden secret: transform your toilet with cloves. Almost no one knows about this. Throw cloves into the toilet bowl, and you won't believe your eyes. Cloves, a spice commonly used in winter dishes, reveal their astonishing antibacterial properties, offering solutions beyond the kitchen. Let's explore the incredible uses of cloves, including a surprising toilet cleaning hack. The power of cloves. Cloves, a familiar spice in winter, extend their uses globally. Not just for enhancing beverages and cosmetics, but naturopathy recognizes their antibacterial effects, providing solutions for various health issues. Dried clove buds, rich in tannins and essential oils, should not be too old when used for medicinal purposes. If the clove doesn't release oil when cut, it's too dry. Cloves in household care. Clove oil, primarily composed of eugenol, exhibits bactericidal, narcotic, and mildly corrosive effects. However, few are aware of its amazing household benefits, especially in tackling unpleasant odors in the bathroom. Even the most expensive cleaning products may fall short, but cloves come to the rescue with a simple solution. Ingredients: 1 liter water, 10 cloves, a few drops of peppermint essential oil, 5 tablespoons of baking soda. How to use: 1. Combine all ingredients in water and let the cloves steep for 24 hours. 2. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle. 3. Spray the interior of the toilet bowl and let it sit. No scrubbing or rinsing is required. 4. Use the toilet as usual. Just a few spritzes of this natural concoction can banish unpleasant odors for several days. Stay tuned for more intriguing ideas and inspirations. Check out more exciting ideas and inspirations with us.